welcome to a new episode of New Times, Russian Blue Times. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of dental care for your cat. If you give your cat the right routines, it will prevent gingivitis, for example. Sometimes the lack of dental care can cause tooth loss, so-called periodontal disease. If you don't provide a proper dental care, your cat's breath will most likely smell awful as well. So, begin early when your cat is a kitten. It is very important you get a special toothpaste for cats, because the one we humans use is not good for cats. Then start with getting your cat used to a toothbrush you intend to use. I let her have it in her favorite spot at the top of her climbing tree. Then I let her play with it so that she should get used to it. Okay, Sasha. We take out about 2 centimeters of the toothpaste. Sasha! Sasha. What is it? You can take it like this and you can put it on her paw. You can begin with that, and after a while you can take it to her mouth. And the important thing is that she get this into her mouth, and this is the beginning. So you make her get used to it, and after a while you can take a brush. After a couple of days you can take a toothbrush and you can gently brush her teeth with it. But on the finger, let her lick it and put it on her paw. And she will, when she notices that she have it on her paw, she will try to lick it as well, so she get it in her mouth. Here I've put some toothpaste on her toothbrush, and as you can see, she really likes it. So begin with gently brushing a bit, and after some practice I'm sure it will work out perfectly and I'll be able to brush her teeth proper. How often shall you do this? The best is if you get a routine and do it every day, but at least 3 times a week. If you do this, it will prevent problems with your cat's teeth. I have a question for all my viewers and subscribers. Is there any question you have for me? Is there any topic you want me to address in future episode? Then put your questions and suggestions in the comment section below, and I'll get back to this. Within a couple of weeks I'll post the next episode, and then I'll talk about things at home that are not supposed to be toys, but are just as fun to play with. I wish you good, and remember to press subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get updates. So long!